Alright folks, so we are going to be working on this radiator support here. I have these on. I got to raise them up a little bit, somewhere on here, just so they're a little bit higher. My radiator is in the right spot. So sit tight and let's watch the action.
I think it all came back when I was looking back at you. Oh, how I've missed those sights. You must have missed mine too. Did you breathe me in? If you would only know that you're in my air. For every second, everywhere I go. So why are we hiding in these crowded places? Cause when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces. But when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. We didn't say a word too much. We hid behind the daylight while I was longing for your touch. We never let the other in, cause we were scared to fall back into the old habits. But
Alright, so we got the fans wired up. We got the grounds, positives all switched up. This one needs to spin this way. This one spins this way. And got the electric fans going. We're good there. ignition. So we are good to go. Thanks for watching. That's what she looks like. Alright everybody, thanks for watching my videos. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Like and subscribe. Thanks a lot again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Later.